Hello guys, today in this video we are going to see what is compound interest. Now, what is compound interest means the interest amount on the interest. Here there is an example problem. Aman invests ₹8,000 in the bank at 5% compound interest per year. What will be the amount and compound interest after 3 years? Here what they say means Aman named person invests ₹8,000 at the rate of 5% compound interest per year. After 3 years, what will be the amount and the compound interest? For solving this question, here we use two formulas, that is compound interest formula and amount formula. Here you can see the two formulas. For finding the compound interest, we have to minus the principal amount with the total amount. For finding the total amount, we have to use the second formula, that is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. Here P stands for principal amount, R stands for rate of interest, and T stands for time taken. Now let us see how to solve this question. Here I write the given, that is principal equal to 8,000 rupees and rate of interest 5% and the time equal to 3. And here I also write the formulas required to solve the question. First we have to find the amount. Now let us see. Here you can see here the amount formula is principal into 1 plus rate of interest by 100 whole power time taken. We apply the values to the formula in the first step. In the next step, we simplify the equation. If we simplify the equation, we get the value like this, that is 105 by 100. After getting the value by like this, we have to divide it. After dividing it, we got the value 1.05. After getting the value 1.05, we have to cube the value, that is 3 times, that is 1.05 into 1.05 into 1.05. If we cube the value, we get the final answer, that is 1.157. After getting the final answer, we have to multiply the final answer with the principal amount. Here you can see we get the total amount value, that is 9,256. Now let us calculate the compound interest. For finding the compound interest, the formula is the total amount minus principal amount. That is what is the total amount we got, 9,256, minus what is the principal amount, 8,000. If we minus the both values, we got the compound interest value, that is 1,256. In this way you can find the compound interest. Hope this video is understood to you. If you understand this video, then give a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos.